when I last saw you on Monday, we started these notes. I have a sneaking suspicion that a lot of you were not writing them down, and so you may want to pause this video right now and write all this stuff down and then start it back up and listen to what I'm about to say, because I'm going to talk pretty fast here. I'm actually going to talk pretty fast through this whole video because you can watch it as many times as you need to. In section 7.5, we're going to go on and learn a new kind of factoring. What I talked about is that you're always going to try and GCF factor first. The factoring that we learned about last week, you always have to do that first, no matter what kind of factoring you're doing. There's multiple ways to factor. We're learning 2 of those ways. We're on our second method, but there's lots of ways to factor. You will always try and GCF factor first. These are examples of trinomials. They're trinomials because they have 3 terms. That's what it means to be a trinomial. These are special kind of trinomials called quadratic trinomials because they contain a power of 2. X to the second power is their highest degree. They have an x and then the constant. Okay, so these are known as quadratic trinomials. This is what we're going to learn how to factor today. In order to be successful at factoring these, we need to talk about the form that these are in. They are in a form, and no matter who you talk to, if they're in math, they know this form. So all of these trinomials are in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Every single one of them. A here is the coefficient or the number in front of x squared. So here a is 3, here a is -2, here a is 1, here a is 1, and here a is 1. Notice that in our title, Trinomial Factoring when a equals 1, we're only learning how to factor these 3 types today. That's it, okay? So that is a. B here is the number in front of x. It's the coefficient of x. So b is 4, b is -3, b is 5, b is -3, b is -2. And then finally, last, c is our constant. It's the number without a variable. So our constant is 5, our constant is 1, our constant is 4, our constant is -18, which is c, and 1. And these are letters that we all know as a mathematical community that when you have a trinomial quadratic, it is always going to be a, the number in front of x squared, b is the number in front of x, and c is the constant. Those letters are going to be important for the method that we're learning today of factoring. And again, this method only works if you have a quadratic trinomial whose a value is 1. So we're actually going to start with this one, the x squared plus 5x plus 4 problem. And we're going to factor that one first. Darn it. I left my green sheet with my factors on it somewhere.